Organizational effectiveness has received a lot of attention recently from many industrial sectors, particularly the construction industry. Many models have been developed to evaluate organizational performance. Since then, researchers and practitioners have focused on organizational culture and leadership style of project managers as significant factors in the construction industry. To continually increase performance, efficiency, and profit, industries are driven to identify, understand, and effectively communicate to their staff their organizational culture. Traditional business procedures in the construction industry require a solid grasp of the technical and managerial requirements of carrying out projects, which in turn places a higher value on the management and leadership abilities of individual project managers. The emphasis is on clients in the construction industry and their project managers to investigate the relationship between organizational culture, authentic leadership style, and effectiveness. The results, which include the creation of an explanatory model, demonstrate that organizational culture is indirectly related to effectiveness, while project managers' leadership styles are directly related to output. As a result, it is thought that an effective organizational culture is crucial for organizational performance. The effectiveness of an organization is significantly influenced by a variety of elements that academics and industry professionals have identified. Many of these variables have nothing to do with leadership style or organizational culture. There has been a lot of discussion in management literature about the relationship between organizational culture and leadership and a variety of organizational outcomes, such as effectiveness, competitive advantage, financial performance, etc. However, there are very few studies that connect both factors to organizational performance. Due to its connection to international economic activity, the construction industry is well known for its unpredictable output. For instance, a great deal of research has examined this tendency and provided suggestions to help it be lessened. However, unforeseen incidents continue to occur and have an impact on the building industry's output and productivity. Over the past few decades, the construction industry has been moving towards a more globalized mode of operation, which has compelled it to adjust its policies and practices to the dynamic and rapidly shifting international environment. Unexpected events nevertheless keep happening and affect the building industry's output and productivity. Over the past few decades, the construction industry has been moving towards a more globalized mode of operation, which has necessitated that it adapt its policies and practices to the dynamic and quickly changing global environment. This prompted the mode of operation to modify its procedures and practices to conform to the dynamic and rapidly evolving environment of the international setting. The industry is now paying special attention to many factors that are having an influence. The concept of organizational culture is more important than ever for the construction industry because of the current business climate. The fundamentals of conventional construction business practices are the technical and managerial components of their projects, which call for management and leadership abilities. Academics have given the leadership studies of the construction industry more thought than other research areas. They have concentrated their efforts on developing a suitable leadership style due to the wide variety of business environments in today's society. Organizational culture is influenced by how well managers and staff can identify and comprehend an organization's adaptability, mission, consistency, and levels of involvement. Our efforts have been focused on creating a leadership style that is suitable for a range of business settings, because leadership has a significant long-term impact on project outputs, followers, and overall organizational outcomes. This evaluation focuses on the Denison model of organizational culture. The focus of the Denison module is on managers' approaches to leadership and how they profoundly affect organizational culture, particularly the process. In conclusion, Consumer Trading Organization Limited will continue to host more concept